Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this puzzle video animation on CapCut PC. So actually you'll need a photo for this or like a freeze frame before like the start of your video on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this video right here, and I'm going to freeze frame this part actually, and I'm just going to delete the first part. And I'm just going to extend it just a little bit, and I'm going to go to frame ratio. I'm just going to select the 1:1 because I feel like it's a little bit easier to do. We're also going to scale it so that it's like the full-on position, like that, like the full-on scale, sorry. Select your photo, like the freeze frame one, go to mask and select the circle and just adjust it like that, and then you're going to want to copy and paste that. Go to mask and make it like slightly smaller. Copy and paste that again and make it slightly smaller than the second one, like that. And you can even copy and paste it for the fourth time. Then you're going to go to basic and you're going to rotate it like maybe this way. Okay, I'm just going to use this button like this way, and then for this one I'm going to rotate it, the other way, and then for this one I might like rotate it like 4 times or something. And if the mask looks a little bit like too far apart, you can just simply adjust that like that. Okay, let me just adjust that like that. And then after that you are just going to add in keyframes. So here we're going to add a keyframe, and then at the end we're going to rotate it to its original position like that. And then here actually I'm just going to rotate it another way first so that I can put it back to the way it was, maybe like this. Add a keyframe again, and then at the end I'm going to rotate it so it fits the picture. Okay, maybe like I'm going to rotate it there like that. Add a keyframe here, and then wait, oh my gosh, I forgot that I needed to add the keyframe in basic, sorry. So here let's just go back to basic and add a keyframe in position. And I'm just going to rotate it like this way first, and then here I will rotate it to its original position like that. And then here I'm going to do the same exact thing, add a keyframe in position and size, and then at the end I'm just going to rotate it to its normal position, and again here. And then at the end I'm going to rotate it back to its normal position, and then one more time here I'm going to rotate that to its normal position. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!